welcome to the Warrington Wolves. What is State of Mind all about?
Tackling stigma, signposting where support's available, giving support to individuals who might well be feeling distressed, all aimed at preventing suicide.
This is, for me, what State of Mind is all about. The focal point of it is this weekend, this State of Mind round, where we get to go to the Super League grounds, have a presence there, hand some information out to fans, and just have conversations that otherwise people might not have about mental health. You might only need to have one or two really good conversations to make you feel like it's been a worthwhile couple of hours being here, you know.
And obviously we've got the branding outside the ground, but obviously we've plenty of branding inside the ground with the cheerleaders, the teams, the players warming up. And I think, you know, over the past 5 years, the State of Mind brand's become, you know, synonymous with rugby league and obviously very recognisable.
Excited, you know, I enjoy winning, you know, everyone likes losing, you know, especially at home. The boys love coming in and playing in front of our crowd, so a big credit to everyone that come to the game tonight and keep coming and supporting the boys.